looking at you again. We're at our location for our next sound check for tonight. We're here in Slovenia, and as you can see, break them back there, getting sound check right. No sign. This is the stage. They're just doing sound check right now, getting everything straight. This is the theater we're in tonight, as you can see. Nice. So this is where we're at. We're here tonight, and we're setting up for the sound check and everything. So anyway, I'll come back at you later. Just want to let you know we're working, and hopefully we'll get something to eat, something small right after the sound check. Then come and do the show at 8 o'clock tonight. I don't know what time it is at home, but let's see. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock here, so that's 12 noon at home. All right, peace.